Now we are doing question number 9. In question number 9, they are saying solve the equation x raised to power 2 upon 3 plus 8x raised to power 1 upon 3 is equals to 24. So what we will do? So in this, first I will copy it. So it will be x raised to power 2 upon 3 plus 8 raised to power 1 upon 3 x raised to power 1 upon 3 is equals to 24. Okay. Now x raised to power 2 upon x raised to power 2 upon 3 plus 2x raised to power 1 upon 3 is equals to 24. Now we will use it like we will make that let u is equals to x raised to power 1 upon 2. Sorry, this is 1 upon 3. Why am I writing 1 upon 2? 1 upon 3. Okay. Yes. 1 upon. Let u is equals to x raised to power 1 upon 2 and u square is equals to x raised to power 2 upon 3. So when we have this type of equation, we do like this by letting. Okay. And now in the place of x raised to 2 upon 3, it will be u square plus 2u is equals will be minus 24 is equals to 0. Now, this will be u square plus 6u minus 4u minus 24 is equals to 0. Now, so this will be u bracket u plus 6 minus 4 bracket u plus 6 is equals to 0. U minus 4 and u plus 6 is equals to 0. Now, this will be u is equals to 4 and u is equals to minus 6. So now when we have u value, u is equals to 4 and u is equals to minus 6. So what we have let u as we have let u as x as to power 1 upon 2. So in the place of u, we will let x as to power 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 and x as to power 1 upon 2 is equals to minus 6. So so this 1 upon 3 will be 1 upon 3 x is to power 1 upon 3 and x is to power 1 upon 3. So this will be x is equals to 4 cube and x is equals to minus 6 whole cube. So this will be x is equals to 64 and x is equals to minus 216. So this is our final answer. So that's how we have solved the equation. Now moving to question number 10. In question number 10, they are saying the seventh term of an arithmetic progression is 77. The sum of first n terms of the progression is denoted by Sn. It is given that S11 is equals to 880. Find the 20th term of the progression. So how we will do this? So first of all, so in this, so you have to know the formulas. You have to know the formula. So what is the formula of Tn, which is a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn formula is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, they are saying seven term of arithmetic progression is 77. So we will do the AP. So T7 is equals to 77. Okay. And what will be the T7? T7 will be A plus 16. Okay. It will be A plus 60 is equals to 77. Now, now they have said that the sum of n terms. The sum of n terms is the formula of this. This of the progression is denoted by Sn. Okay. It is given as S11 is equals to 880. So S11 is equals to 880. So in the place of S11, we will write n is 11 upon 2 whole bracket square bracket 2a bracket 11 minus 1 into difference we does not know is equals to 880. Now this will be 22a plus 110d is equals to 1760. Okay. Now so from here 22 bracket 77 minus now we will now we will take a the common, so a is equals to 77 minus 60. Now in the place of a we will write 77 minus 60 plus 11 110 is equals to 1760. Why I am putting this equation because to find the common difference. So this will be by using calculator. So 22 into 77 this is equals to 169. 1694 minus 132d is plus 110d is equals to 1760. So this will be minus 22d is equals to 66. So the value of d we got is 66 divided by minus 22. So the value of d we got is minus d. Okay, this is the value of d we got. Now, when we have got the value of d, we will plug in this and we will got a value. So A is equals to 77 minus 6 bracket minus 3. So the value of A we got is 95. So we got A and A value, which is first term, A and the common difference. Now, what they are saying find the 20th term. So to find the 20th term, we will use this formula Tn. So in the place of n, so Tn, in the place of n, we have 20 and A is 95 plus 95 minus 1 and D is minus 3. So with the help of the calculator, n minus 1, my bad, 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1. So 95 plus bracket 20 minus 1 into minus 3. So the answer we got is positive 38 of D20. So we got the answer which is 38. Now in part B, they are saying find the smallest number of terms, capital N, such that S n is lesser than 50. So what we will do, we have A is equals to 95 and D we have which is minus 3. Now they are saying that S capital N is less than 50. So we will use the SN formula which is capital N upon capital N upon 2 whole bracket 2 bracket 95 plus capital N minus 1 into minus 3 bracket and less than. Now this will be we'll move this 50, so 50 multiplied by 2 is equals to 100. Okay, so this will be we will simplify, so this will be 190 and plus bracket 9 square minus n minus 2 the common difference and less than 100. Okay, now this will be 190 and plus minus 3 and square by plus 3 and minus 100 is less than 0. So this will be minus 3 and square plus 193 and minus 100 is less than 0. So this will be 3 n square minus 193 n plus 100 is greater than 0. Okay, because I have changed this and so we will also change this. Okay, now this we got is 3n square minus 193n plus 100 is equals to 0. So How we will solve this? So we can use it. We can solve it by the calculator also, by calculator. But in calculator we get the direct answer of x. Direct answer of x. So this is not acceptable in Cambridge. So we will use a quadratic formula. So n is equals to minus. So I'm writing this that we have a which is 3, we have b which is minus 193, we have c which is positive. Okay, so minus 193 square, sorry, minus 193 plus minus square root of minus 193 square minus 4 into a which is 3 and c is 100 over upon 2a. So 193 plus minus, so we will take out the calculator. So this will be square root of minus 193 square, sorry, square minus 4 bracket 3 into 100. So this is equals to 189.865, 189.865 over 2 to the 6. Okay, so n is equals to, so first value of n we got is 193 plus 189.865 over 6. The first value we got of n is 63.81, 63.81, and the next value of n we got is we put in a minus. So the end value we got is 0.522. 0.5, 0.522. So what is this smallest rate? Now this is n is lesser than 0.522 and s is greater than 63.81. Okay, so what is this smallest? If we round out, it would be 864. They have said that find the smallest number of the term because Sn is less than 50. So less than 50, so smallest n is will we have is smallest n is equals to 64. So this is our final answer. Very easy and easy question. Now moving to question number 11, the last paper question. In this question, okay. In this question, they are saying the diagram. The diagram shows the perfect equation y is equals to minus x square x cube plus 9x square minus 15x minus 3 and a straight line. The straight line passes through the two stationary points of the curve. Show that equation of straight line is this. This is our straight line. Equation of straight line. So first of all, what we will do? Okay. First of all, when we have when we have stationary point, we will differentiate and the differentiation will be equals to 0. This is a very easy. Now, y is equals to 8, sorry, y is equals to minus x cube plus 9x square minus 15x plus minus 3. So we will differentiate it. So dy over dx is equals to minus 3x square plus 18x and minus 15. So this should be equals to 0. 0 is equals to minus 3x square plus 18x minus 15. So this will be 0 is equals to x square minus 6x plus 5. So when we will do x square minus 5x minus 5x minus x plus 5 x into the common x bracket x minus 5 plus 1 bracket x minus 5. Yes, this minus 1. So sorry, x minus 1 and x minus 5. So the x value we got is x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 5. Now when we have two x values, when we have two x values, which is x equals to 1 and x equals to 5. Now we will use this equation to find the y values. So find the y value. Yes, wait a minute. Oh, so now we will find the y value. So we will plug y is equals to minus 1, sorry, 1 cube plus 9, 1 square minus 15 bracket 1 minus 3. So the y value we got is minus 10. And from here when we plug positive 5, so 5 cube plus 9 bracket positive 5 minus 15 bracket 5 and minus 3. So the value we got is 22. So the coordinates we got is 1 comma minus 10 and 5 comma 22. Now with the help of this coordinates, with the help of this coordinates, we will, with the help of this coordinate, what we will do, we will take out the gradient. So m is equals to 22 minus minus 10 over 5 minus 1. So the answer we got is 8. So what we will do, we will use the formula, we will use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m bracket x minus x1 because to find, show this equation. So y minus y1, we can take anything. So I am taking the coordinates of I am taking the coordinates 1 comma I am taking the coordinate which is 1 comma minus 2. I am taking 1 comma minus 10 coordinates. Okay, so this will be y plus 10 is equals to 8 bracket x minus 1. This will be y is equals to 8x minus 8 minus 10. So this will be y is equals to 8x minus 18. So this is so that's how we have shown. Now moving to question number 11 part B, they are saying verify that the curve also means the straight line when x equals to 3. So what we will do, we have the equation which is y is equals to y equals to minus x cube plus 9x square minus 15x minus 3. And another equation is y is equals to 8x minus 18. Okay, so we will equal this terms minus x cube plus 9x square minus 15x minus 3 is equals to 8x minus 18. So to verify this, we will put x value. So when we plug x value, minus bracket dq plus 9 bracket d square minus 15 bracket 3 minus 3 is equals to 8 bracket 3 minus 18. So with the help of the calculator, minus bracket 3q plus 9 bracket 3 square minus 15 bracket 3 minus 3. So we got 6. And from here, a bracket 3 minus 18. So we got 6. So that's how we have verified. Verified. Okay. Now, in part C, they are saying the shaded region is bounded by the curve and the straight line. So, what we will do in this? So, we will do now. We will put to the diagram. We have one coordinate here, which is 3, and here we have 5. Okay, so we have to find the area of shaded region. So to find the area of shaded region, we have two equations. One equation is this, and one equation is this. So we will solve this by simultaneously. And now, when we solve it, and after that, we will integrate the. Okay, so how we will do the first equation y is equals to minus x cubed plus 9x squared minus 15x minus 3, and another equation we have y is equals to 8x minus 18. Now what we will do, we will add bracket minus x cubed plus 9x squared minus 15x minus 3 minus bracket 8x minus 18. Okay. Now, when we do, we will have minus x cubed plus 9x squared minus 23x plus 15. Okay. Now, we will integrate this. How we will integrate this? We will add area is equals to integration sign, and we have the limits, which is 5 and 3. And I'm copying this. So we have this. So and Vx. So when we do the integration, so 5, 3 minus x raised to power 4 over 4 plus 9x raised to power 3 over 3 minus 23x squared over 2 plus 15x. Okay. Now, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, so this will be square bracket 5 raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 4 over 4 plus 3 x cube minus 23 x square over 2 plus 15 x. Now, what we will do, we will apply these limits. We will apply these limits. So, when we apply these limits, square bracket minus bracket 5 raised to power 4 over 4 plus 3 bracket 5 raised to power 3 minus 23 raised to power 5 raised to power square over 2 plus 15 raised to power 5, sorry, bracket 5 minus, now minus, now we will plug 3, so minus 3 raised to power 4 over 4 plus 3 raised 3 bracket 3 raised to power 3 minus 23 bracket 3 square over 2 plus 15 bracket 3. So by using the calculator, we can find it. So in the calculator we got 25.4 minus minus. So in a place of 5, we will add 3. Where we have 5, we will add 3. So what we have got? We have got 9 upon 4. So what will be the answer of area of shaded region? So 25 upon 4 minus answer. So area of shaded region we got is positive. So I hope you got the concept how I have done question number 9, 10, and 11. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Fi Aman Alillah.